Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 25th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku. So, two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one you are interested, it's the binary, yes, because it's binary time. And this one will be number 5853. 5853. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And I know here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between those comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we need to compare, I think. Yeah. We need to compare. Okay. Question is... Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Yeah. Now we can compare. Compare the rows or compare the columns. 4 columns here. Okay, this column I cannot compare. This one, O10. O10 here. No. O10. No. Okay, cannot compare this. How about the rows then? Double 1 here. No, this one I cannot compare. How about this one? O101. O101. Not possible. Not possible. These 2 columns then. Double 1 here. Here. This column and the first column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box O O. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, and now We've had double 1 here. No. How about this row? 0, 10, 0, 10, 1, 0. No. Yeah, how about this one? This row in the first row. A white 001100110011 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 5 minutes. Wow. I need to compare twice. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Yeah, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.